This is Vin.
Me Vin.
I'm his dad, and this is his garden.
Me Dada.
These are our adventures. So we're going to grow these potatoes from seed. They've started growing little things. We can't eat them anymore, but we can grow them into a brand new potato plant. We need to cut each potato, and we need to make sure that every piece has at least one eye. Can you see the eyes?
Eyes.
Eyes. These are the potato's eyes. Yeah, see? Potato eyes. Okay, we're going to cut this one. Okay. So this piece has an eye. This piece doesn't have an eye, so we can't actually grow anything from this, but it can go in the compost. So from 3 potatoes, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 potato plants. Should we go plant these potatoes?
Oh yeah.
Okay. So the easiest way to plant potatoes, Vinny, is to dig them into rows.
Good boy. Very good.
That's really good aim. So we got to make sure the eyes are pointing up.
Hi.
Up to the
Up
sky.
to the sky, yeah. So we turned old, unusable seed potatoes into potentially 7 or 8 new potato plants. Soon, in a few weeks. Nice.
Nice.
Nice. Have you got your spade?
Yep.
Are you ready to dig around the potatoes?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to mound them up. We're going to make mountains. We're going to pull all the leaves up out of the way. Okay? And then dig in around here
Yeah.
and pile it up.
Yeah.
Pile it up here. So we want to do this because these are getting nice and tall now. There's heaps of room. And if we build these mountains up around the plants, then we'll get more potatoes.
More dirt.
Yeah, yeah, get some more dirt.
Come here.
Look, Aurelia. Vinny's making mountains around his potatoes.
Yeah. Me turn.
Your turn. Oh, you're strong. Yeah. You're so strong. Okay. We're finished doing the mountains around the potatoes. Hey, Vin. Look, the potatoes are even bigger than you are.
Yay.
Alright, dude, I want you to have a dig under the potatoes with your hands and see if you can find a potato.
Yeah.
Can you feel one in there?
Yeah.
Pull it out for me.
Ah.
Wow.
Potatoes.
Yeah. We were going to leave the potatoes a little bit longer, but we've had some pretty gnarly weather the last couple of days, and as you can see, the wind has battered them. So just because it's starting to take a turn for the worst, we thought that, well, we've got a nice day, we might as well get in there and dig the potatoes out.
Yeah, my grandmother.
And we're going to put the potatoes in your wheelbarrow. I
Yeah.
hope it's big enough. I feel like there's going to be lots of them.
Yeah.
Can I get you to hold on to one of these
Yeah.
with both hands?
Push honey.
Yeah, okay. And we're going to pull super hard. Are you ready? Grab on.
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Okay. What is it?
Potatoes.
A potato.
The potatoes, tiny potatoes.
And a tiny little one.
The potatoes.
Hey, do you want to put those in your wheelbarrow?
Yeah.
Your hands in here.
Yeah.
What's that? Penny. The deeper you go, the bigger they get.
Wow. Yeah. But the potato red, vivid.
It's a really big potato.
Yeah. That's a man one, brother.
Okay, we've just done the final count, and outside of these 4, which are really tiny, and this one that's had a bit of a grub in there, we have 107 perfectly edible, decent sized potatoes. We started with 3 seed potatoes, 3 old potatoes that we couldn't do anything with. Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah.
You should be. You worked really hard.
Yeah.
Should we go dig it up just in case there's any left in there?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Vivid flower.
Yeah, the big shovel. So, now that we're done, and we got 112 potatoes,
Yeah.
that leaves 2 questions.
More than
When are we going to eat all of them, and what should we plant here next?
happy summer.
If you subscribe, you'll get to find out what we plant here next. Okay, what does that taste like?
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice. That's cool. Thanks for watching.
Bye.